What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for watching another video, and today I'm gonna be taking you guys to a car meet near my area. But before we do that, I'm gonna be taking my car to my friend's detail shop to get it washed, because it's been a long time since I washed my car and it's pretty filthy, to be honest. It may not show on camera, but like, it's really filthy. So we'll go down there and then we'll head up to the car meet.
You like Dragon Ball a lot, right?
Yeah, as a kid. But yeah, that's nice.
This right here is playing right here too.
The Honda? Yeah.
How do you like? Do you get pulled over all the time if you have black like windshield tint?
No, I don't think so. That's like, if you don't do like dumb shit, then you're not gonna get pulled over. Look at that exhaust over there, like the pipe.
Oh my god! Yeah.
You got motorcycles over here.
Oh yeah, that was cool too.
Black one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like all the like.
Oh.
Showing stuff.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Those other guys, they hang out at car shows, but they don't go to car shows.
Okay. All right, thanks.
Oh, RX-7! Oh, I like that Hexagon grill too.
Oh, this? Yeah, looks nice. Damn, look at that guy over there. What the hell?
He moving.
Nah, man, so many clean cars over here, man.
Oh my god,
I think that's bags.
yeah, that's definitely bags. There's
Yeah.
no way. Right?
Charger. The chain grip? Yeah, that's how. I think that's an N3. Yeah. The new ones. Yeah.
I like the way like the wedges out, you know, the bottom.
Yeah, it kind of reminds you of the Darth Vader. Yeah.
The rims are nice too.
I think your father would like that car.
Yeah.
He likes like old schools, no?
I want to go like that, bro.
Look at it. You don't see those. I don't know, bro.
It's so low. Oh, it's got the carbon, the raw carbon.
This is clean. Oh, Corvettes.
Yeah. Isn't the like raw carbon like really expensive?
It is.
Like it's like more expensive than carbon fiber, right?
Yeah. Mr. Satan? Another Dragon Ball over.
You might have to fuse the, you know what I'm saying?
Nah, that Audi right there is clean too, man.
That motherfucker got a fat tire. What?
You know he moves.
He flies.
Yeah, of course.
Nah, you saw the Evo though? The exhaust is off the side.
On the side?
Off the
Oh,
side.
this one?
Yeah, off the side. I think there's a turbo inside. I don't know.
I like this.
Yeah, the color.
Yeah. GT350. What do you think about the wind?
It's alright.
It's alright?
It matches, you know.
Yeah, right.
Infinity. It's crazy.
Yeah. Yo. Those are like gunshots, literally.
I love that.
Damn. Crazy.
It's always the guys in the Miata, right? They always. I need that.
What's that?
That's stock though, like completely stock.
Oh, Nissan?
It's a Nissan. I forgot. Oh wait. It looks like it. Yeah, it is the
Okay. Dragon Ball Z?
I like it. It's nice, calm. It's in good condition.
It is. Ooh, that's nice.
That's for the jeans.
Ooh, that's fire, bro. Damn, that's clean. Oh, oh shit, that thing is low. Like you're literally driving on the ground.
Yeah. How do you even see it? Dude, look how small the windshield is.
How do you even? Hey, that's the question. That's sick.
Yeah, this color like. Yeah.
Like that one.
Yeah, it's a clean car.
What do you think a wrap like that costs?
I don't know, like $5,000 maybe. It sends out.
Guys.
Oh, look at this little car over here.
That's it.
That'll be fun to drive.
Oh, dude, look at that seats are
I love it. I'm gonna show my uncle this. My uncle's in love with these. And it's owned by the Puerto Ricans. Stop playing with us.
Yeah.
Big one.
Ooh, damn.
That's what it is. Yeah, that looks
Mm.
dark with green. Oh.
Satin black. Yeah. This M3 right here though. That's beautiful.
Does it have blue headlights?
Huh? Those are the laser headlights.
Is that stock?
Yeah, that's stock. It comes with it, yeah. manual.
It's manual.
Yeah.
Is yours manual?
No.
Yeah.